Hey, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make avocado corn salad. So we need salt, black pepper, and then parsley, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and this one shallots or onions, a small one, and then tomatoes. We need cherries, but the cherries is very expensive, so I just use this one. And then 1 avocado and corn. Okay, first the tomatoes. Okay, and I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I'm gonna slice it. Okay. Okay. I want my onions nga kanang i-chop nimo og gagmay bitaw. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna put it here. Here. Okay. Lime juice. Okay. Olive oil. Black pepper. That's the parsley, and then salt. And this is the black pepper. Okay guys, so this is our avocado corn salad. Okay, we try to taste. This is it. Our avocado corn salad is done. Okay, so I'm going to It's yummy. It's very fresh. It's very refreshing, guys. It's yummy. So this is our avocado corn salad. It's very fresh. It's very refreshing. It's very refreshing, and it's good to eat. Good. Thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Okay, mag-ilis na